Okay, how to check if you are coding to cost of sales or sales income. Okay, I ask this all the time. So I go into accounting, general ledger. Um, I always tell everybody to check this. Okay, so this is cash disbursements. Okay, so now you can see all the cash disbursement payments. So what you're going to go and do under account, you are going to select, or you're going to just start typing sales income. So I would go here, okay, and see how there's nothing there. Oh, let me make sure there's no other things in description. Okay, so that's needs to be sales income, cash disbursements, nothing else. Okay, you can, this just defaults to today's date. Okay, so then I would just go down your list. Okay, and you can see that I don't have, well, this one I meant to do because was clearing it for a training video. So you should not have anything in these, okay, under cash disbursements under this. If you do, I'll tell you what's next. So you're going to go down the list and you're going to just make a note to any of them that have cash disbursements in any sales income account. Okay. Then when you are done and you get to the bottom and there's no more, you are, like in this case, it's sales window covering. Okay, there's a few others, but then I'm going to scroll down. If I wanted to, I could check these. I'm not going to, but I would now go to cost of sales. Okay, this one, I knew that this would be in there because I did that. You should not have anything. So you're going to go down the list, okay, and keep going and see if there's anything that has totals. If there is, the next thing I'm going to have you do is to pull your financial form and pull an income statement. You are going to then pull just for the months of this year, or, because that's what we're looking at. Okay, we're not going to do zeros. We are not going to do sub accounts. And I mean, we can leave that or not. Okay, it doesn't matter. This is what I'm looking for. The top one, two, three, four. The top four. The rest, it doesn't matter, but I filtered for no. Okay, and when you pull this up, and this is probably not going to be a good one because this is a training account. But what I would invite you to look at is you're going to come up with the sales income. You're going to have a bunch of other accounts. Then you're going to have the cost of sales and a bunch of other accounts. If you are coding directly to either sales income or cost of sales, these are going to be lopsided or look off. If you have any questions or anything else, you can leave them in the comments or watch the next video. Thank you.